How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on new phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on new phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if your Authenticator app is not working, it can be due to your Authenticator app having few bugs or issues in them. So to fix this, we'll first head over to our settings, go to general, and after you're on your general, simply head over to iPhone storage. After there, you will need to search for your Authenticator app. So simply search for Authenticator app, and there you will see an offload app option. Tap on it and offload this app. After that, reinstall the app, and after you reinstall it, check if your problem is fixed. If your problem is not fixed, or even if it is fixed, head over to your app store, and on your app store, search for Authenticator. After you search for Authenticator, simply check if there is an update available for the app. If there is an update available, make sure that you update the app, and with the update will come new bug fixes and performance improvements, which will help you, just fix the problem. And yeah, that's how you fix this issue. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.